Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log out or even remove your Samsung account from your Android phone. So what you want to do is just swipe down from the top right and then go to settings right here. Wait for this to load, scroll on down. And we want to go to where it says accounts and backups right here and just choose this. And then we can see manage accounts on the top. Select this. Now choose your Samsung account. Then at the bottom of the screen, it does say remove. We can select it. Then we go to remove this account. Removing this account will delete all the contacts, calendars, etc. So just go to remove right here and you should be able to remove it from your phone. So if you do get some sort of password that pops up, you can just go to forget password if you forgot it, and you should be able to send that email address, whatever you have listed on your Samsung account, a email to reset it. So just look at that. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.